In transit, in supermarkets, on shelves, in kitchens all over the world, plastic packaging is keeping our food fresher for longer. But look closer. Behind this everyday item is an extraordinary piece of engineering designed to protect our food and reduce waste. This is the story of how INEOS is working with its customers to make flexible packaging more sustainable. In southern France, manufacturing firm Legatec produces plastic film, which helps keep our food fresh and safe.
Legatec is a blown film manufacturer specialized in films converted into packaging, which you find in your fridge, for example.
It is a complex process involving specialist machinery. Blown film is where plastic resin pellets are melted, then inflated into a bubble, which is then stretched. This creates a clear, semi-rigid plastic film. But in order to do its job, the food packaging in our homes has to be constructed of multiple layers.
By just looking at the film, you cannot know what's behind. So there is many properties to reach.
Each layer has a specific function, ensuring that the contents stay safe, fresh, stable, and visually appealing. Each layer is made from different materials fused together, making them difficult to separate. This comes at a cost, as recycling systems are designed to handle single material waste. Mixed material waste disrupts the process, and that means it ends up here. With stricter EU laws on the way, all packaging will soon have to be fully recyclable.
The trend is to be recyclable in 2030, and it will be a European regulation. So we must focus on this and find a solution for customers.
To make recyclable packaging, those layers need to be made from just one plastic, what's called monomaterial film. But that's not easy, and that's where INEOS comes in. At their technology centre, they're creating innovative plastic solutions to help make consumer products more recyclable.
So in the Research and Innovation Center, we are developing solutions to improve circularity, sustainability, and quality of polymers that are used to manufacture thousands of items that are used in our day-to-day life.
But these polymers are just the first step towards replacing complex, multi-layer packaging with fully recyclable monomaterial solutions.
We had this feeling that we needed to have a tool that will help us through this transition and that will also allow us to be supportive of our customers in this transition.
There was one missing piece of the puzzle. A way to test these materials at scale and help customers find these essential solutions faster. So INEOS invested in their own state-of-the-art film packaging production line.
It was a big project for us here. It's quite a bold undertaking. We're the only polymer producer with this capability, and it enables us to work in close collaboration with customers or brand owners or retailers to help create solutions that solve their problems.
The line will enable the team to develop new, sustainable materials alongside their customers. Customers like Legatec.
We have been working with Legatec for a long time now, and we can do trials for them and with them on our pilot line, which speed up the process in this sustainability agenda.
It is very important for us to work with raw material manufacturer, mainly INEOS here. It gives us the ability to try many different material, different setting. It is always interesting to see the new material that are developed for this monomaterial structure, because it's pretty new material every time, and so helps us achieving the best quality possible for the final packaging.
By working together, from polymer to consumer, this shift to monomaterials could prevent over 1 million tonnes of plastic waste from going to landfill every year. It's a major step forward for packaging, and for the planet.
Monomaterial packaging is a must to have in the coming years with the new regulation in place. Plastics will remain material which is necessary for majority of human beings in terms of food packaging, in terms of medical applications. New challenges, sometimes tough challenges, but also very motivating challenges.
We as a company and we as an industry have a long way to go to really develop a circular economy, but we're not going to make any progress unless people like INEOS help kickstart that journey.
The machine direction orientation is just one example on how INEOS is committed to the circular economy. We cannot go like we are today without doing something serious about it. And INEOS is absolutely serious about circular economy.